Hey, on time like.
All right, guys. So now let's get into finding optimized titles to increase your SEO. So let me go back to YouTube here. Now, what we're going to use is an app called Tubebuddy. Now, in order to access Tubebuddy, if you would like to get it, there is a link below. All you have to do, or a button below, all you have to do is click that button. It will take you right to where you can get the app of Tubebuddy, or you can go to the Play Store and install it on your phone, or you can look up Tubebuddy on Google and download it to your computer. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to look for a title, right? Now, the first thing that you can do is start looking for things inside of your niche, right? So if your niche is mindset, so we want to go and get us a title for a mindset video. So let's use this. It says this has 1.6 million views 3 years ago. So let's go with the most powerful mindset for success. So let's copy this title here. Let's copy this title. Then what we're going to do, we're going to go to Tubebuddy, and then we're going to go here to the Keyword Explorer. And we want to put this in. We want to explore this. Now, if you see here, it says the overall score is good. It's 42 out of 100, which is decent, right? But you can always get this score better. We want to go with at least 85 to 100% all the time, right? All the time. It talks about the competition, the search volume, and the optimization strength, right? So what we want to do is tweak this. So what are we going to say? Instead of saying the most powerful mindset for success, let's say the most powerful mindset for success and wealth. Let's see what that ranks. And we have a 100 out of a 100 score. So we could actually use this title here, right? And if you, and this is a video topic, all right? So if you want a topic for a video, and this is how you were finding your topics, then you know that you can have a video that's titled this, and your SEO score will be great, right? But let's try another video. Let's say that your niche is cooking, food, the food industry. So this says 10 million views 1 year ago, 33 kitchen hacks that will make you love cooking. So instead of putting 33, let's say you only want to do 20 cooking hacks. So let's put this title in and let's see what happens here. So instead of 33, let's put 20. Let's go 21. 21 kitchen hacks that will make you love cooking. And let's explore that. And it's excellent. So you could use this title and actually model this video. 33 kitchen hacks that will make you love cooking, and it's 5-minute craft. So all you have to do is just pretty much go and watch a lot of their content, look at how they make videos, and then just model it. Just do pretty much the same thing that you're looking at in your own way. And you could actually gain a lot of subscribers, a lot of views, and a lot of watch time just from doing strategies like that. But this is pretty much how you find optimized titles. All you do is just go to the channel or search something within your niche, go to the highest ranking videos. So you can, let's say motivation, if you want to do motivational videos. Then you would just come here and you could find something that has a lot of views, right? Retrain your mind, Joe Rogan, 2.3 million views. Let's say if you had a lot of clips of Joe or anybody, it doesn't necessarily have to be you all the time. You could just be making videos with snippets of other people. But you could take this title, put it inside of your tool, find out what it ranks, and then make your tweaks and adjustments based off of that. And that's finding targeted.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling.